Measurable post-secondary goals is a piece that is included in secondary transition IEPs. So just to orient you once again, hover over IEP, scroll down to secondary transition, and then I can click right on measurable post-secondary goals for some guidance and information. The bottom line is that measurable post-secondary goals are required in the following areas. So first, post-secondary education and training, employment, and then independent living is only required if there is a need identified in this area. And you would know that there's a need identified in this area by reviewing the student's most recent comprehensive special education evaluation. Additionally, there is a special formula, if you will, for writing measurable post-secondary goals. And a great improvement from SpEd forms is that it outlines this formula for us now. So the first element is it needs to state something like after high school, after graduation, upon completion of high school, the student will or the student is going to. It cannot say the student is thinking about or the student may or might. Okay, it needs to be the student will or the student is going to, what they're going to do, and where and how they're going to do that. Additionally, measurable post-secondary goals must be reviewed and updated annually. So we're not going to carry over, copy and paste the exact same goal year to year. We're going to make sure that it's in alignment with what our student wishes after high school, after graduation. And that might change for some of our students. Some of our students might have these goals pretty broad in the beginning of this work. So maybe in 7th, 8th, 9th grade, this might be broad. And then we'll likely add some more specificity as the student is nearing graduation. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this in CMR. So I'm going to go to my student right now, my IEP. I'm going to go down to transition services. This is where you're going to find the goals, the measurable post-secondary goals. So right here, we can see that after high school, Billy will attend a post-secondary program for graphic design. The second area of employment, after high school, Billy will work in the field of graphic design. And then for Billy, after high school, Billy will live independently in an apartment near his parents. So if this was a need that was identified in that evaluation, that's maybe what I would write. Or there is no need identified in this area at this time. So once again, we're ensuring that this is an accurate picture of what Billy wishes to do after high school upon graduation. And we're following the formula that includes Billy will, etc. These drop downs are a great template to use, and I would encourage you just pick one, plug it in there, and you'd be able to, let's say, Cheyenne will attend a 4-year college for chemistry. Okay, she wants to engage in some type of chemistry coursework. So I'm able to use that drop down, follow that formula, and insert my measurable post-secondary goal that's exactly based off of that information that I've gathered in that student's most recent evaluation.